What's up, everybody? This is a Southern Pacific engine, 25, number 2521, and this particular engine traveled approximately around 2.5 million miles, carrying passengers and freight, and a span of 40 years through the Yuma area and along the southern United States. Come on, let's go check it out.
Go.
So look at these tires. They are huge tires. Everything is made out of metal. I mean, just look at the grandeur, the greatness of this machine is spectacular, to say the least. Look at these tires, man. This is just amazing. Look at all this. So let's go ahead and walk into the engine and see what we see. A ver qué vemos aquí. As you walk on top here, there's some information right here, some historic information. Like there's a 2.5 million miles of hauling passengers and freight. Look at that. Look at those controls. Isn't that amazing? Look at that. Look at all that. That's incredible. To me, that is fascinating. What's on top of here? This is a plaque right here presented by the Southern Pacific Company to the city of Yuma in 1957. Just look at that greatness. There's a bell right there on top. Look at how huge this train is. Look at this. Southern Pacific.